Hello, welcome to my channel. Do I have a channel? Yes, I do have channel. Hello, everybody. This is June Millar. Um, Today I'm going to fix my 2006 Nissan Quest. I have I had an accident 2 weeks ago, and my headlights are completely destroyed. The bumper needs replacement. This bumper right here, right? It came off. I actually just put a new snap-in lock over there, so it would hold it. The fender need to be replaced too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this, but I'm only gonna use used parts. So I went to pull apart. And I got me a bumper. I got this bumper out of the vehicle Nissan Quest 2004. I think they uh, the same size, the same parts. I got this light, the headlights, and a fender. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start working on this. I already know what to do, because when I take this off the Nissan Quest, I had a little trouble, but I've learned a lot. So I'm a guy who likes to learn a lot. It saves me money, so I'm gonna take the tire off so I can have enough room to move around there. Take the battery of this, so just to prevent shock or anything like that. So I'll talk to you later. Let's see what's gonna happen. Again, rip, big, right? Broken headlights, and fender needs replacement. Let's see what's gonna happen. This don't wanna screw back in because the screw is loose, so I need parts that I need to purchase to get this fixed. It has to be like this, so I need to screw it. But other than that, I'm almost done, so hang in there. I'll see you when this done. Okay, there he is, my Nissan Quest 2006 are all fixed, ready to go, good to go. Look at that. Alright, seems like nothing happened, right? So this is how you save money. All you have to do is go to a pull apart, and if you have that a handy guy, those are basics. So the fender has only 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna have to remove this. There's one there and 2 at the bottom, and some screw here, right? And then like I said, there's one here, there's two here, and there's 1 and 2. You need to understand that there is no screws in this area right here. That's it, you know. So same thing as the bumper. Alright guys, I hope this helped out for those of you who had an accident and try to save money. Go to pull apart and pull apart for your vehicle. That's gonna be your best bet, you know. Thanks for watching. Bye.